Hi, my name is Rob Ward and I'm transitioning from being an academic to an entrepreneur. A few years ago, I developed software that predicts the behaviour of CNC machines. By predicting feed rate along the whole toolpath, my software was able to provide accurate cycle time predictions. I presented this research to the AMRC industrial partners and they loved it. It turns out that all the manufacturers have the same problem. They can't predict how long a machining process will take. My software can not only predict the cycle time, but it also gives manufacturers insights into the process without even going on the machine. The first proper use of the software was at Rolls-Royce. They wanted to bring the manufacturing of a new product in-house, using some very big, very old machines. We were able to use my software to predict the behaviour of the machine and determine what machining strategies were possible. That product is now manufactured in-house. But the problem was that was me being a super user with my own MATLAB code, and we wanted manufacturing engineers to use it. So we built a plugin for CAD/CAM systems, first Siemens and then CATIA, and then built a licensing portal so we could securely distribute the software to industry. And that is how digital CNC was born. You can see in the video that it fits into existing workflows and it's very simple and quick to use. We are now in beta testing with Rolls-Royce, the AMRC, NMIS, and local SMEs, CW Fletcher and AML. The software has changed over time as we learn the value proposition from beta testing. We know it accelerates time to market, it can save manufacturers time and money, and it can be used as a tool to support business cases. We have an evolving industry-led product roadmap, and we're excited to see what it can become over the next few years. In 3 years' time, I want digital CNC to be a globally recognised brand and part of every manufacturing engineer's digital toolbox. I would like the business to have annual recurring revenues of several £1 million and gaining traction globally. I will still be the full-time CEO. I'll be focused on scaling the business and the team that will develop as we scale too. We're missing key roles right now and we have a plan to address this, which includes hiring developers, a sales team and a channel sales manager to drive enterprise deals. Why do I want this enterprise fellowship? I really want to become a successful entrepreneur and I want to create a globally recognised business. And I think the fellowship will genuinely help me achieve that goal. I'm really lucky. I've got some amazing advisors and I've been uniquely positioned at the AMRC, which gives my business a significant advantage. However, I want something for myself. I want an independent network away from Sheffield where I've got space to learn and gain fresh perspectives. This will help me make better informed, independent decisions. The fellowship, it will indeed put us on the map and it'll signal to both academia and industry that we are serious about building a globally impactful business. One thing I miss from the military is the mentorship from the senior officers, and I'm hoping the enterprise network can fill that gap and connect me with those that have been there and done this before. When you meet me, you soon realise that I'm really passionate about my students and preparing them for the real world. And I hope by taking this journey, I continue to inspire them. And I hope in years to come, I can help them take the step into entrepreneurship. But it's not all about taking, and I'll give back as much as I receive. And I intend to actively contribute to the Academy, not just as a participant, but also as a role model for the community. For example, I'd love to run a mentorship program where engineering students interested in startups can shadow me and my team for hands-on experience. I'd like to support underrepresented groups in engineering startups, for example, like LGBT founders like myself. So I'm ready to leave academia behind and fully commit to this new adventure in the spin-out world. We have an incredible product backed by some of the biggest names in industry. I want the Royal Academy of Engineering to be part of this journey. And this isn't just about the success of the venture, it's about shaping the kind of entrepreneur that I want to become. And I can't think of a better community to help me do that.